In the lesson today, we'll be studying multiplying and dividing real numbers. In multiplication and division, if the signs are like, you will have a positive answer. If the signs are unlike, you'll have a negative answer. In the first problem, a positive 3 times a negative 4. One is positive, one is negative. Go ahead and make the computation. 3 times 4 and get 12. And because only one is positive and one is negative, your unlike signs, you get a negative 12 as your answer. If you have a negative 30 divided by a positive 6, one is negative, one is positive, make the computation of 5. The sign would be negative because they're unlike signs. In the division problem, negative 25 divided by negative 5, both are negative, so that's like signs, and you would get a positive 5. Now remember, in multiplying fractions, you can cancel before you multiply. So we'll cancel the 3 with the 9, and 2 goes into 8 4 times, and into 10 5. Don't forget that you multiply straight across, top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 5 will give you 5. 4 times 3 will give you 12. And again, a negative times a negative would give you a positive. Remember in the first section we talked about the order of operations. The order of operations also will apply when you're talking about real numbers. In this first example, because you have multiplication and subtraction, you want to multiply first. So you'll have 7 minus 10. And again, going back to your rules for addition and subtraction, if the operation is subtraction, you're going to change that to addition, assign on your second number to its opposite. A positive 7 added to a negative 10 will result with a negative 3. In the second example, remember we work in parentheses first. 4 minus 7. Again, we'll make the operation addition, the sign on the number that follows to its opposite. Inside the parentheses, we'll have a positive 4 with a negative 7 will give us a negative 3. And negative 5 times negative 3, signs like, will give a positive 15. Finally, remember that a division bar also works as a grouping symbol, so you want to simplify the numerator and then the denominator. In the numerator, you're multiplying. A negative times a negative gives you a positive 30. In the denominator, you're subtracting, so you change your operation to addition, assign on this number to its opposite. So now we have 9 plus 1, which will give us 10. 30 divided by 10 gives a positive 3.